everybody. Hope you're all doing well. We have Charlie here today as our guest with us. I hope you're all doing okay. I know there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the news that's really upsetting. So I hope you're doing something to sort of make yourself feel better, whether that's talking to your parents, talking to your friends. Even though we're not in school, your teachers, we're all still here for you. If you ever do want to talk, I know there's a rally going on in Linfield. Maybe some of you guys are going to that. But I hope you guys are hanging in there. I know it's a really crazy time for everybody. So good news, we have no new assignments this week. Yay! So this week is going to be used for makeup work, catching up on any assignments that you may have missed. And there is a survey that I will put on this post for all of you guys to do. So the best place to look to see if you are all caught up is Plus Portals. So I still have a few great, I have all of the grades to enter, all of the assignments to enter for everybody last week. And 7th grade I'm a little bit behind on. So I think I have 2 assignments for 7th grade. But that's the best place to look to see what you passed in, what you haven't passed in. And if you need help with anything, you can send me an email. I will get back to you. I can still do a private Zoom with you if you need help with anything. And if you're feeling really confused about anything, don't worry too much about it. All of this stuff that we cover during remote learning will be reviewed whenever we get back to school. So don't worry too much about that. All right. So your only job this week is to make sure you're all caught up with work and to do the survey. And actually, Mrs. Strahalik made that survey for us. So I appreciate that. A little shout out to her. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. And I will be at the book drop-off. I will be at the book drop-off on Thursday from 8 to 10. I'll be there. I know the hours are longer than that, but I will be there in the morning. So I hope to see some of you guys then. Adios.